Welcome to my review of the 275 and 330 gallon IBC Tote adapter that allows you to take the large outlet of the IBC Tote and hook it up to a garden hose. This product comes in this small box. When you open it up, there's all sorts of different adapters in here. I've already removed the ones that I needed, but there is 3 pieces that look similar to this, depending on what threads your IBC Tote has. There's a garden hose spigot that comes capped off with these blue caps. You don't need them. There's also a couple extra garden hose O-rings, so if your hose is leaking, you can replace that. And the last piece is some quick disconnect setup that I'm not sure what that's used for. It also comes with a small roll of Teflon tape and then this manual with instructions of how to hook it up. It appears that there's about 3 different setups: the variant 1 with coarse threads, variant 2 with the 2-inch NPS fine threads, and the variant 3 with the 2 1/8 BSP fine thread. This picture is actually a little bit backwards. You start with which adapter you connect to the IBC Tote, and then eventually work your way to the hose spigot. Once you've figured that out, you go down to this part down here, and it tells you how to assemble it depending on which one you have. Note, they want you to wrap the Teflon tape around the male threads of the IBC Tote ball valve. This is it already installed. This main valve and this piece here are part of the IBC Tote. This is the first piece that got threaded on, and the male threads are on the part of the tote, so you have to wrap the Teflon around that. Now, what it didn't say is when you need the second piece, that really you need to wrap Teflon around those threads as well. When I didn't do that the first time, I did have water dripping down out of there. After I wrapped it in Teflon, now there are no leaks. I also put Teflon on the threaded end of the hose spigot. Wrapping all 3 of those used up all of the Teflon tape. The spigot comes with this really nice 90-degree ball valve. This is in the closed position, and when I turn it toward the front, water comes out. And then when you turn it back, it stops and it does not drip. So I would definitely recommend this product if you want to be able to connect a water hose. Right now I'm just filling a watering can from here, but in the future I might use a hose. When you have one of these IBC totes full of water, there is quite a bit of water pressure in it just from gravity. Thanks for watching my review. Check out my YouTube channel at Rob Kuhn's Garage for similar content and more videos.